Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to check the month of April institutions activity happened in all over the world markets. So as we discussed the data, how the institutions, FIIs, they make the plan for crash the world markets. They start selling on April first week and they make big aggressive move in the world market. And exactly what they will happen, the DIIs they make silent and they make the operations in every world markets. DIIs that they make the support. Now the all the world markets it's near to again they make the bigger movement. The world markets are rally. So Trump and FI's plan totally failure, because the DIIs is the game changer. They changed total world market. So this is the happened on the month of April. So now the DIIs they make the bigger move to make the all the markets to make the all-time high. So if we check the data as per the index Nifty, if we check the Nifty in the month of January, the bell curve development happened in this zone. After that, it will go for the new area. Nifty it's enter for the new area, and they make the plan to make the development bell curve here. But here some incomplete auction happened because the clock will not be developed. So incomplete auction is there. Wherever the incomplete auction is there, the price again test this zone. If it moves above this zone, the price quickly test this zone. So here is the one bell curve incomplete auction we found here. And this is the weekly chart, weekly minus 61, and this is the weekly plus 61. This is the weekly plus 61. Without development in this zone bell curve, it will going to move aggressively, and they make here also some bell curve development happen. Here also incomplete, the clock will not be developed. Here also some incomplete auction is there. So what will happen, the price the month of April, the institutions FIs they make the aggressive move to make the incomplete auction zone. Exactly the price tested this zone, and the DIIs they make the chance and they make the bottom fishing from this zone, and they make the bigger move within 2-3-5 days and make the again in this zone incomplete auction zone. So two incomplete auction zone they quickly tested as the move by the DIIs, they make the support in the market. So this is the exactly market profile. It will give the indication that these are the incomplete zone, here is the incomplete zone. So incomplete zones are tested quickly within the any market bad news or good news. The market profile tool itself give you the signal that incomplete auction zones are tested in the bottom, and again it will going to test in the top incomplete auction also. Now this is the time that Nifty enter in the plus minus 61 monthly. This is the monthly zone. So monthly zone minus 61. If it is break this level, so on Monday the real bulls will start. This is the view on Nifty. Exactly happened by the domestic institution operations by the Nifty in the month of April. So April month the institutions activity make the bigger move and make the two incomplete auction zones tested within the same month. If you check the Bank Nifty view, month of January they make the bell curve development in this zone. The Bank Nifty, what will happen, the weekly and daily they developed the bell curve in this zone only. So January full month they are developing the bell curve in this zone, and after that it will break the plus 63 zone and they make the bell curve development here in this zone. Here the internal clock developed, it is more than 45. It is the over development bell curve zone. The price the month of April, the price aggressively coming down the weekly plus 61 and monthly minus 61. The price the over development clock over development, it give the move in the opposite direction. So exactly they make the bigger move in the opposite direction, and now this bell curve range also ST3 zone also break. It is going for the new area, so it will continue 3 days with the internal clock 0 to 18 with the trend continuation. Now it is in plus ST1 zone. This is the monthly plus ST1 zone, this is the monthly minus ST1 zone. So price, it is in all time near to all time high. If the monthly zone, if it is break the monthly plus ST3 zone, we can expect the bank nifty, it will go for the monthly new area. So monthly new area, it will go for the all time high. So you have to watch for the every move. If the monthly plus all time plus ST3 high is broken, the bell curve, monthly bell curve high is broken, it will go for the new area, then the trend should be continue. So we are going to check the real bull market in the Indian market, because the bank nifty it's both, it will support in the index, and now the stocks, it's mostly crashing more than 50% of the stocks. So this is the time to pick the stocks. This is the same setup, weekly, monthly, and we have to enter the stocks. This is the right time to enter the stocks right now for investing the stocks, because investors can enter this time to pick the good quality stocks, because most of the stocks crashed more than 50%. So follow the market profile tool and analyze the backtest the chart and find out the good quality stocks to enter in the market. So this is the V on Nifty and Bank Nifty exactly happened by the institution operation in the month of April. So FII plan totally failed, because the FII's plans are damaged by all the domestic institutions in all over the world markets. So FIIs now they are making plan, what they plan they have to they make silent now, and they will make another aggressive move. So these are the high, now the month of April, May, June are high volatility markets are highly moved with bigger points. So follow with the market profile tool, analyze the tool, and enter exactly as per the standard deviation levels. This is the perfect levels, it will give the entry and the exit levels. So thank you all, thank you for supporting my channel.